Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add colors to a progress bar. So I already have a table database with 3 tasks set up, 2 parameters which are number parameters as we've done in a previous video where you have done and total. And this progress bar is set up so that there are 10 segments that go up by increments of 10 and it's a black bar. Now, let's make it a little bit more fun, and we can add different colors, and we can add different colors depending on the percentage. So I am going to go, and here's the code, and I'll post it in the description as well. But I'm going to modify this so that if it's 30 or less, it will be red. If it's 70 or less, it'll be yellow. And if it's above that, it'll be green. So here we go. And so it's red. 40 would be yellow, and then we can have green. Now you can actually go and change the colors if you want. Let's say like blue, then the bar is going to turn blue. So there you go. That's how you add colors to your progress bar. Hope this helps. Thank you.